Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to connect our devices with Google Photos. A great way of uploading all the photos you take on your device to save yourself time and hassle by seamlessly syncing your device with the Google Photos app. I'm going to be using an iPad today. If you haven't got the app installed, that's where we'll need to start. You can do this by going to the App Store and then doing a search for Google Photos. Once you've done that, then download that onto your device. Once that's installed, open Google Photos, and the first thing you have to do is allow it access to your photos, and you can choose whether to allow notifications. The next thing you'll see is the option to backup and sync. Here you can use high quality photos or the original, so choose which you want. Do make sure though that you're choosing the right account as well, because you want to make sure that the photos are being backed up to the right Google account. Once you've done this, or if you wish to review your settings, you can do that by going to the three lines in the top left hand corner and then going to the cog icon. This will take you into settings where you can go into the backup and sync option. Here you'll see whether your backup and sync is turned on or off. Then just click on the back arrow to go back to your photos. I hope you have found this video helpful. We have many more training videos on our training site and YouTube channel. You can also email us with any queries.